So children, coming to friction. What is meant by friction? Children, listen carefully. Again, I will not say this lesson children. Last time I'm saying. Okay, 8th class. So today I will discuss some, tomorrow I will discuss some. What is friction? What is friction? The opposing force. The opposing force to the motion is called friction. It is also force, children. Opposing force to the motion is called friction. It is also some force on the children. Friction is also some force. Suppose if you take a body, if you drag a body, you are applying force this side, no children? So your body is also moving this side. But frictional force acts opposite side. Why does friction arise? Friction arises because of irregularities in the surface. Why does friction arise? Friction arises due to irregularities. Perfectly smooth bodies won't be there, children. Friction arises due to irregularities in the surfaces of the body. Friction arises due to irregularities in the surface of the body. What is the units of friction? Units of friction is also Newton. Units of friction is also Newton. Friction is directly proportional to normal reaction. Friction is directly proportional to normal reaction. And removing normal proportionality, you have to keep mu children, where mu is called as coefficient of friction. Coefficient of friction. Then you will get doubts. Sir, what is normal reaction? I'll help you children. What is normal reaction? You see children, if I keep a box here, box will exert some force on the ground. Am I correct? When you exert some force on the ground from Newton's third law, for every action there is equal and opposite reaction. Ground also will exert some force opposite to the this one. So when you keep box on the body, it will exert some weight on the ground mg. In same weight, how much you are applying force, that much force in the ground also applies on the box. That is called normal reaction. So normal reaction and mg will be same. If this is 100 Newton, this is also 100 Newton. If this is 10 Newton, this is also 10 Newton. So this formula I can write friction, I can write as mu mg also. Friction I can write as mu mg. What is mu? Mu means coefficient of friction. Mu means what children? Coefficient of friction. Okay. Next. Mu means coefficient of friction, children. Okay. Now what happens? Means see here. So there are three types of friction. There are three types of friction: static friction, okay, kinetic friction, and rolling friction. Static friction, kinetic friction, and rolling friction. Static friction is the friction which is present between the two bodies when the body is at rest. When the body is at rest, also there will be some friction. That's why it won't move. Kinetic friction is that friction which it is acting when the body is moving. When the body is moving, and rolling friction is that friction which is arising when the one body is rolling on another body. When one body is rolling on another body. When one body is rolling like a ball, ball rolls like a wheel, like that. Okay, try to understand different types of friction. Static friction is that friction which is present when the body is at rest. Kinetic friction is that friction which arises when the body is in motion, when the body is moving. And rolling friction is that friction when the body is rolling. For the round bodies, when the body is rolling, that friction. Among them, which is highest means static friction is highest. Next kinetic friction, and which is least means rolling friction. Rolling friction is the least. Okay, children, then you will get the sir. Can you tell some numericals on this? Okay, children, basing on this, I'll say some numericals, children. So children, those who did not understand this part, again, I'm saying the frictional force is directly proportional to this normal reaction. Okay, removing proportionality, keep the constant mu, where mu is called as coefficient of friction. This is also force. This is also force. Stand by, children. This is also force. Frictional force. This is normal reaction is also force. Because both of them are force. Force gets cancelled. There are no units for coefficient of friction. There are no units for coefficient of friction. It is just a constant, children. It is just a constant. I hope you are able to understand, children. Some small numericals will do, children. Then you will have a clear idea. Find frictional force on 10 kg body. Find frictional force on 10 kg body. Find frictional force on 10 kg body when coefficient of friction is 0.6. Okay, I will do children. See here, F is equal to mu mg. Mu how much I gave? 0.6. M I gave 10. G on the F is always 10 children. G on the F always 9.8. We'll take as 10. So 0.6 into 10 is 6. 6 into 10 is 60. 60 Newton is the frictional force. No, sir, we didn't understand this. One more sum I will tell you to understand. One more sum I will say. Find frictional force when the coefficient of friction is 0.5 on 25 kg body. On 25 kg body. On 25 kg body. Vedant, can you tell how to do this?
Yes, sir. Force is equal to little mg. Force is equal to 0.5 times 2.25 times 10.
G
Gravity is
is 10 only. Gravity is 10. So 0.5 into 5, 10, 5.
10 times
125 newtons is the frictional
125
force.
newtons is the
Is the
force.
frictional force acting on that body. Get your
Yes,
audio. Find coefficient of friction when frictional force is 100 newton acting on 10 kg body. 10 kg body on 10 kg body on 10 kg body. Okay, Rishikesh, can you tell how to find coefficient of friction? Rishikesh,
Yes, sir. Sir, F is equals to mu mg.
F is how much?
F is equals to, sorry, 100 is equals to mu into 10 into 10. 100 cancel. Mu is all a constant.
Mu
Sorry.
is constant one. There are no units for mu also anyway. Okay, next question. Okay, children, I hope you are able to understand. Let's try concentrate children. Next question. Program,
Yes, sir.
find mass of the body. Find the mass of the body. The frictional force is 10 newton and coefficient of friction is 0.2 and that's all. Coefficient of friction is 0.2.
Yes, sir.
F is
Force
equal
is
to
equals to mu mg. 10 is equals to 0.2 into m into 10. 10 is equals to 2 is into m. M is equals to 10 by 2. M is equals to 5 kg.
5 kg. Next question. Next question. Sujit, are you there? Sujit,
Sir,
find
sir.
frictional force on 10 kg body whose coefficient of friction is 0.25. Whose coefficient of friction is 0.25.
F is equal to
Mu mg.
0.25 into 10 into 10 is
That is
equal to
25 Newton.
25 10.
That is 25 Newton. That is 25 Newton. Prolika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Find frictional force on 100 kg body when mu is equal to 0.5.
F is equal to un
F is equal to mu mg.
mu and 0.5 into 100 into 10.
That is how much?
500 newton.
500 Newton. Okay. Next, Vedant.
Yes, sir.
Find normal reaction if frictional force of 20 Newton is acting on body if coefficient of friction is 0.2. Find normal reaction. Find normal reaction. F is equal to
F is equal to
mu n.
un.
N is equal to mg with F is equal to mu.
Mg.
So 20 is equal to
20 is equal to 0.2 times n
20 by 0.2. How much?
is
100 Newton.
newtons.
100 newtons.
100
Okay.
newtons.
What is normal reaction? Normal reaction is the
Opposite
opposite force which is acting on the weight of the body. It is
Yes.
equal and opposite force acting on the weight of the body. If we are exerting force of mg on the ground also exerts n on us. If you are exerting mg on the ground also exerts n on us. If you are exerting mg on the earth also exerts n. So n and mg are normal reaction. Frictional force is directly proportional to normal reaction. Means what, sir? You ask. I would say, children, if weight is suppose 50, And if weight is 100, if weight is increasing, normal reaction also increases. If normal reaction increases, friction also increases. That's all. Again, I'm saying, if weight is increasing, normal reaction also increases. If normal reaction increases, friction also increases. I'm saying that one. Okay, children, I'll give some more sums. You do it as homework in the video description. I'll give some more numericals children try to do. And you have to learn this about the friction. Notes on the friction also I'll put in the description of the video. Please learn, children. Thank you so much. Remaining, we'll discuss tomorrow.